Albert Einstein once said, "Everyone is a genius, but if you judge a fish on its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing it is stupid." Ladies and gentlemen, today I will discuss with you modern day schooling. Not only does it make fish climb trees, but it makes them climb down to do a 10-mile run. Modern day schooling board members claim to prepare students for the future, but evidence shows it prepares them for the past. When students first began to attend school, schooling was to train people to work in factories, which explains why students are put in straight rows, nice and neat. Students raise their hand when they need to speak, given short break to eat, and for 8 hours a day, told what to think. Modern day schooling has turned millions of adolescents into robots. Many of the adolescents can relate to the fish believing they are useless because of a bad grade in a class, which isn't their strong suit. Modern day schooling kills creativity and individuality, and is an ancient institution that has outlived its usage. Today, we don't need to train robots. The world has progressed. Now we need people who think creatively, innovatively, critically, independently, and with the ability to connect. If a doctor prescribed the exact same medicine to all his patients, the results would be tragic. So many people would get sick. Yet, it comes to school, and this is exactly what happens. This educational malpractice, where one teacher stands in front of 20 children, each one having different needs, different gifts, different dreams, and they are taught the same way. Teachers are heroes that are often to get the blame, but they aren't the problem. They work in a system with not many options or rights. Curriculums are created by policymakers where most haven't taught a day in their life and just obsessed with standardized tests. They think bubbling in a multiple choice question will determine success. If we customize healthcare, cars, and Facebook pages, then it's our duty to do the same for education. We should reach the core of every heart in class. Math and English are important, but no more than art and dance. Let's give every gift an equal chance. I know it sounds like a dream, but countries like Finland are doing impressive things. They have shorter days, teachers make a decent wage, homework is non existent, and they focus on collaboration other than competition. Their education outperforms every other country in the world. Although students are 20% of our population, they are 100% of our future, and let's help them achieve their dreams so there's no telling what we can achieve.